Hello everyone, welcome back to another BrickLink how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to find out the part out value of a set and how to figure out if it's really worth it to buy and part out. So this is the way we do it when we're doing it online. If we're in the store, it's a little bit different. We just get out like our phone and use the calculator to figure it out. But in this case, if let's say there's a sale on Target.com and they have some tiny sales right now, it's not really great, but if there was a good sale here, and we had $500 to spend, we need to know and figure out what the best sets to spend that $500 on are. So what we did is we created a little spreadsheet over here that'll help us determine that. So to start out, we have the item column, the purchase price, the part out price, and then this profit multiplier will let us know whether or not it's worth it. So let's say we were on Target.com, these are all the items on sale. First thing we'll do is we'll just go through and type in every single set that is on sale. So, in this case it is, that's the first Minecraft one here, and then the purchase price. In this case, it is $9.89. Not a great sale, really. And then what we do is we go to the next one. So in this case, we'll go to the little Lego Star Wars Kylo Ren's shuttle. And then we'll go, type in that number, 75264. And this one is also $9.89. And then we'll go to the next one. And this set number is 60251 for the little monster truck there. Also $9.89. So we go through all the way until we've figured out all the sets that we think are going to have a good part out value. Then what we do is we need to fill in this part out price here to figure out if it's worth it or not. So after this is done, we go over to BrickLink, and once we're over here, we can hover over this Market tab. By hovering over this little pop-up will come up, and then you can click this Price Guide button here underneath Reference, and that'll bring us to this next page here. And now you have two options. You can either check the price of the set if you were to sell it as a whole set, or if you know a piece number, you can do all these things over here. Very useful. But we also want to do the part out value. So this is what we're doing here because we're checking these sets. So what we're able to do, if we just copy this number, you can either copy it and paste it, or you can just type it in. We're going to paste in that number there, and then personally we part out the extra parts and the instructions. We usually don't do the box, and then we make sure, in our case, we assemble the minifigs. We have, we sell them as a minifig. But you can also part out the minifigs. So that's what this parts including minifigs parts is, if you want to do that instead. Then what we do is we click the Get Value button, where you'll be brought to this page, and you can see this set specifically parts out for $19.97. So then we go over here to this part out price, and we'll type in $19.97. And when we click Enter or whatever, you can see over here our profit multiplier has told us that this set parts out for just over 2 times the price. So then what we do, like I said, is we'll go through every single one of these, and we will just get the value for each of these. This one, in this case, it is $17.83. Not super worth it, but essentially, let me explain this page. Sorry, I didn't explain that. The average last 6 month sales is most likely what you should use for your pricing, because that is, proven what has sold over the past 6 months for the pieces in this set, and that is the average. You can see this current items for sale average is higher than the last 6 months sales, and that is because some people list pieces for crazy prices. But if they're not being sold, then they're not helping to bring up that last 6 month sales average. Hopefully that made sense. There is also this inventory average over here. So in this case, we have 24 of these lots in our inventory for $4.74, and 14 of them are not in our inventory. So that's why this price is so much lower than over here, and most likely the minifig is worth a significant amount, and that's why these numbers are all different there. But like I said, what we'll do is we'll go here all the way and we'll fill all these out. Now I have a prepared one that's over here. This was for a sale that was on at, Kohl's.com 2 days ago. And same thing, we just went through all the way, every single set. And then we typed in the purchase price and then the part out price. And then you can see this profit multiplier over here, it figures it out. Now, the way we have these set up is very basic. If you go in here, and if you're on any spreadsheet software or Google Sheets or anything, you can click the Enter key next to the backspace or delete key. Top right of your keyboard, and then, whoops, you know what, I can actually just do this for you real quick right now. What you'll do is you'll click it, and then you click the Enter key, and you should have this little pop-up thing pop up. All you want to do is select the number with the part out price, like this, and then you click the slash button, and that'll divide it. We want to divide it by the purchase price, and you click the checkbox or click Enter or whatever, and then it'll automatically calculate that out for you there. Hopefully that made sense. Now in this case, I have it set to show me colors, and this is called conditional highlighting. You can do it if you want. I'm not going to show you how because I'm in my own program, but essentially, if the part out price for us is between 2.5 and 2.7 times, it turns yellow. If it is 2.75 times and above, it turns green. anything that is turned green here we should look at. That doesn't mean it's the best to purchase, but we're going to look at it. In this case, because this was a Kohl's purchase, I actually had $20 of Kohl's cash. So let's say we were going to get 12 of this set. Well, we need to divide 20 by 12, which is like 1.66. So then I'll go here and I'll change this price because now we're getting $1.66 off of each of those sets. So what would this be? $14.33. And now you can see with that updated price, when I apply the Kohl's cash, we are now getting it over the 3 times value there. So in this case, we would purchase this set. We didn't actually end up making any purchases because we don't have a ton of drawers, and none of these were like crazy high, so we didn't go with any, but hopefully this kind of helped to explain how we determine whether or not it is worth it to buy a set. And of course the market price guide tab, this is an amazing helpful thing to determine whether or not the set will sell, or like, how much it sells for. That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, click the thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.